Hello everyone, welcome to the very first episode of Python School. I am Monica and in this series we will learn Python from scratch, step by step, in a clear and simple way. In today's episode, we will talk about what Python is, what are the key features of Python, why it is so popular and where it is used in the real world. So let's get started. So what exactly is Python? So Python is high level interpreted programming language. It is known for its simplicity, readability and versatility. And this language is developed in 1991 by Guido van Rossum. Okay. Unlike some complex languages, Python has a very clean and beginner friendly syntax, which means it looks more like English. Now, next understand what are key features of Python. This language is simple, easy to understand, easy to write code, and this language have readable syntax. Okay. Now, next key feature is this language is interpreted language, means Python does not require compilation before execution. Now, next feature is this language is dynamically typed, means there is no need to declare variable types. Next key feature is this language have standard libraries, inbuilt standard libraries which we can use while coding. Now, next is this language is platform independent, means we can run code on multiple operating system, and this language have strong supporting community. Okay. So these are some key features of Python. Now let's understand why learn Python. First of all, this language is easy to learn. If you want to start your career in coding, then I will suggest you have to prefer Python language first. Then this language have huge community and huge job demands. Then this is free and open source language, and this language is versatile. Means Python is used in so many industries like web development, data science, automation, artificial intelligence in different applications. Okay. So like this language is versatile language, easy to learn. This language have huge community, huge job demand, and this is open source language. Okay. So that is why you have to learn Python language. Now, Python is an all-rounder language. So let me show you some areas where Python is used. So first, in web development, using frameworks like Django, Flask. In data science, with libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Scikit-learn. In automation and in scripting, OS, SYS schedulers are used. In AI and in machine learning, TensorFlow and PyTorch is used. And in game development, Pygame language is used. Okay. So these are some areas where Python is used. Okay. Now let's see which companies used Python language in their tech stack. Okay. So Google, Netflix, YouTube, Instagram, Dropbox, NASA, Amazon, Spotify, JP Morgan. So these and many more companies are using Python in their tech stack. Okay. Now let's understand what an IDE is. So IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It is software that provides tools to write, test and debug code efficiently. Think of it like a workspace for programmers, just like a student needs notebooks, pens and a calculator to study. A programmer needs a code editor, debugger and terminal to work. And IDE brings all of these tools together. There are some popular IDEs like PyCharm, VS Code, Jupyter, Notebook, Google Colab. Okay, so this tool makes programming much easier, especially for beginners. Okay, so that's all for today's episode. I hope now you have a clear idea of what Python is, where it is used, what are key features of Python, why it is so popular. Okay. In the next video, we will install Anaconda and also explore Google Colab. In throughout this series, I will be using Google Colab. So in next episode, I will walk you through Google Colab in detail, and we will also see how to install Anaconda. Anaconda is a powerful platform for running Python, especially if you want to work offline on your computer. And Google Colab is a free online tool by Google where you can write and run code without installing anything. Okay. So in this series, I am going to use Google Colab, but I also walk you through how to install Anaconda. Okay, so this is about today's episode. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends who are also interested in learning Python, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming lessons. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in next video of Python School. Happy learning.